everyone, welcome back to Fowler's Finally Free. If you don't know me, I'm Brenda. Today I'm going to share a few Amazon RV products that have genuinely made RV life easier and more organized. Of course, we're not sponsored, they're just things we actually use and love. So let's jump in. First up is the TotalMount hole-free remote control holder. If you're like us, remotes disappear the second you step inside the RV. This holder keeps them in one place, installs with adhesive tape so no drilling, and it actually stays put even on travel days. You can buy the holder with a single slot or up to 3 slots. It's simple, it's clean, and it saves you from hunting for remotes and couch cushions. Next is the French door fridge and freezer lock. We've actually used this product before in the Raptor. It was a great solution to lock the fridge then, and it is now. Our Cougar has this lock that you screw in at the top, but it's so difficult to install and remove. I needed a faster solution for those quick rest stops, but would also keep the doors from flying open on bumpy freeways and dirt roads. Because who wants to pull over and find all your groceries on the floor? Not me. This lock keeps those doors locked even on the bumpiest of roads. Once again, it's fast to install with adhesive tape, and you can unlock and lock the fridge so quick. Definitely helps prevent fridge disasters. Number 3 is an adhesive wall-mounted phone shelf. We needed a shelf so we could charge our phones, but we also wanted easy access by the bed to be able to use the cell phone as a clock. This floating shelf was the perfect solution. The adhesive is super strong, it's slim, and it's surprisingly handy for such a small product. Fourth on the list is a bar soap holder with hooks. This one sticks to the shower wall, once again with adhesive, and it actually stays put on travel days. It keeps the soap dry and the hooks are there to hold loofahs, razors, or washcloth. I needed a solution so I would not have to pack up the shower on travel days. And number 5 is a 10x magnifying lighted makeup mirror. This thing is incredible for RV bathrooms, and especially when you're older. It has daylight LED lighting, a locking suction base, and it rotates 360 degrees. It's cordless, portable, and honestly life-changing when your bathroom lighting is not great. It's compact, sticks securely to smooth surfaces, and the magnification is perfect for makeup, grooming, or any close-up detail work. It's one of those products you don't realize you need until you don't have it. So those are our top Amazon RV favorites right now. Nothing fancy, just things that help keep our small space organized and travel day ready. If you've used any of these products or you have any must-haves, drop them in the comments. We would love hearing what works for you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.